Hello everybody, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the string methods in Python. Now here we are going to learn or we are going to discuss about few string methods of Python which are very useful while working with a language like Python. Now this is a very short one. If you want to know the details about the Python programming language, you can contact our number which is mentioned in our YouTube channel. So for more details. So today I am starting with this particular lesson of string methods in Python. Now first of all we'll see the use of count method. So in Python we are having a method called or a function called count. Now I am discussing the use of this count function or method with the help of a code, with the help of a simple code, so that you can understand the use of count method properly. So here what I have done, I have declared a variable called str1 and then I assigned a value called the Avengers. See, the after space, after the we are having a space, then we are giving Avengers. Now I said str1.count. See, inside the bracket I am saying, let's say within the double quotes I am saying E. Now what is the, now so my output is becoming what? Now output is, in this case it will be 3. That means with the help of count method I am trying to find out how many E's are present inside this particular statement called the space Avengers. So if you look at this, so it will start the counting from the beginning. So here I am getting one E, here I am getting another E, here I am getting another E. So ultimately my output is 3. If I use this particular code, so count function will try to do what? Count function will try to find out how many times a specific character is present inside. We'll see the use of this count function in another way. I'm saying what? str1.count E5, 2. That means here what I want to search E. How many times this E is present inside this particular statement called the space Avengers. Now, two more things I am specifying, which I did not specify in the first case. In this case, I am saying 5, means from where I will start counting of E and how many characters I have to serve or I have to check or I have to navigate to find the occurrence of E. So I am saying 5, 12 means it will start from the 5th position and it will continue till 12th character. So if I look at this, so look at the, now let's see if I see the 5, then what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is starting from V. After V, see how many E's are there? Till S it is 2. So that's why my output is also becoming 2. So what you have seen, we have seen the use of count method or count function by using two different examples, two different case studies, two different cases we have taken to understand the use of count method or count function. So let us move to another function, the find function. Now look at this. In this case, what I said str1 equal to piece begins with a smile. After piece I have given a space, after begins I have to give, see, after begins there is a space, after with there is a space, after it there is a space. So then after the end we have written something called smile. Now what I want, then I said str1 dot find with. That means find function will tell me what is the starting position of width. It is telling me 13, because if you look at this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to include the space also. In the previous class we have discussed it. So my output is becoming what? 13. So what is the use of this find function? Find function will tell me. So find function will do what? It will take a specific word and it will try to find out what is the starting position or what is the position of that particular word inside that particular statement. This is the function of find method or find function. This is also very important string methods in Python. Next, we'll see something more about this. So we are saying what str1, what we think, what we become. Str find v. So it is giving me the output as 5, because if you see this particular statement 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the fifth position, like we starting, so output is becoming 5. So it is giving me the output as 15. Now what is the significance of this rfind method? Rfind method will try to find out the position of v, but it will start from the end of the statement. So if you look at this, it is telling me what, like if we start counting from here, actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So rfind will start the counting, will try to find out the position of the particular word from the right hand side. That's why along with the find method I am using R. So this is the difference between find and rfind function. Find function will start from the beginning, it will do its work from the beginning, and rfind will do its work from the end. So it is rfind, sorry, this find is from left to right, and rfind will function from right to left. So this is the difference between find and rfind function or method in Python. Now we are having another function or method called upper. Look at this name. I said hello space job is, and then I said name dot upper. So entire thing is becoming in uppercase. So if I want to transfer something, like if I want to transfer something into uppercase, we are using a function or method called upper. Next comes to another method called capitalize. So I am using one name, the game. So when I am using this capitalize, so it is see this T of the is becoming capital. So we know what, like the first character of a particular statement must be in capital. So that thing is being done by this capitalize function. So the function of this capitalize is to convert the first character of a sentence into uppercase. So this is also a very important method or function in Python, which is capitalize. So these are the different functions in Python we have seen. Hope you have enjoyed or you have understood these things. So these methods. So this way we are having n numbers of methods are there. I have discussed few of them. String methods, which is which are used in Python actually. So we have got some other methods also. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this particular class. Thank you.